One step forward and two step backwards. So today is gonna be part 2 of what was it? Changing the power steering pump, which is still not working correctly. It's not leaking, not that I know of, or we know of, but it's still not good. It's still hard. Sometimes it slips. So I'm thinking it's another hose that's leaking.
You know hose, right?
You know what I'm saying? Hose everywhere. So, but today I went to Harbor Freight, a free advertisement, got myself a freaking glove, cause I got dirty like a motherfucker last time. And this guy is putting side skirts on his car with a Harbor Freight tool that he bought, lifetime warranty. Holla at your boy. Give him a huge discount off my record. Now saying, this is how you hook your buddies up with tools. Well, anyway, I went to Harbor Freight and I bought the ramp because of that lip, it's hard to to get under the car and see correctly. So with this ramp, should be good. So I bought this, the gloves, and what else? Oh, and they gave me some free microfabric, that cloth thing, for free. So everything came out to $31 an hour. Wow, $31. And so I think it was a good price. Hold on. I ain't controle. Ah, damn, you're a freaking little kid, you know that. Damn it. Don't turn it on. So this one has the tensioner like this. I think this is good, but this one is the one in question. See, I think this one, I tighten it more, but yeah, I think this is have like enough pressure now, but I think it's misaligned. If you can see there, it's not correctly, and this guy is laughing his ass off because he's a little kid and honked the horn when I'm trying to work here. Don't you hate it when you have a freaking childish friend? Look. And you're all dirty, you know that, right? See, when he accelerates, it slips.
Listen to the sound.
What sound?
Of the muffler.
Snackle and pops all day, baby. So the plan for today is just to loosen the pulleys, redo the tightening, and see if I get it right. If not, and I'm gonna try to torque down the pulleys too and do it right this time. Okay, so this is the result. I changed. I changed only this belt because it was easier to take off, and this one, the pulley system still has a problem. You can see that belt needs to be changed. So eventually I will be taking everything back out. Like when I'm gonna do the tune-up, I'm gonna take everything back out, and I'm gonna definitely try to change on that belt. But for now, I just changed on that belt, and with that ramp that we bought, that makes such a huge difference. And that little wrench right here, where is it? Look, a belly. And this wrench right here, with the swivel head, definitely I'm getting one of these. I'm gonna go ahead and buy one of these because I don't have it. That one is his. But that makes such a freaking huge difference. Makes your job way easier. I took hours last time until I did this. Now it took me literally like 15 minutes. So yeah, let's start it up and I'm gonna let you guys hear the results. Ooh. Don't be shy. I don't want to start. I think it's too tight. No, I don't think it's too tight. Okay. It really like don't want to start. There you go.
So
you don't want to start? Yeah.
So the problem is solved, okay? Now the car don't start.
One step forward and two step backwards.
It felt like no fuel was going to the engine, so...
The fuel pump too?
No, just a little mishap.
But I think that has to do with it too. You know, like the...
You need to buy that.
Or is that the fuel pump going bad? I have no idea. That just literally happened. So I have no idea. If you guys can tell me, help me out, that would be greatly appreciated. Desde comenzar out. Until next time, I'm gonna do a tune-up to this baby, including the other belt, the AC compressor belt. And it is here and there. I may have to order this too. But this is like, that may be contributing to the problem, because it has a, look at that. Oh yeah, I think it's that. You see that? He almost turned off. See that?
Ah!
You see? He almost turned off. I found the problem. Thank you guys, but still, I think if it's not that, what could it be? I really need your help. Thank you so much. This is Automotive Tools. Peace in the Middle East.